Welcome to IT Study Park. This is SBK. Last video we have seen. Last video we have CRUD operation. We will preparing. We were preparing. My skin is terrible. I think so. Last example. We are we were preparing one CRUD operation, one mini project. In this video, we will complete this. We will complete this total example, and after that, next video, this video we will complete and also modification, some code optimization, all these things we will prepare only in this video. And next video, how to work with the date, I will discuss. Okay, next video onwards, I will discuss how to work with the date in SQL database. Okay. But next video, not in this video. In this video, we will complete only the last example. Okay. The last example remaining are two modules are remaining. What is that? Two module, like update module and delete module. Update module is a little bit big and complicated. Okay. After that, I will give you one task to you. Please complete it. Huh? I want to Clips ID is opening batches inside the batches advanced 30. Yeah. Class notes. Yes. This mini project. Na? On same project, IT study part. Okay, this is the my idea. So the CRUD operation we performed. Okay, so we performed two operations. First one is completed. Okay, and second one is completed. Third one and fourth one is remaining. So now in this video we will learn. Okay, what is the download image? Even mini project is there. This is the our example. First, I want to run this example. Show. Okay, and after that I will remove all this thing and prepare a very good manner. First, I will show you how to prepare when CRUD operation using switch and case statement. Okay, I want to run this control 11, control plus 11. Running. My database services is running or not running. I will check. If my database services are not running, not run, then I will start the services. Don't worry, I will solve the problem if we're facing about that problem. Okay, launching CRUD project. Okay, no issue. This is your console. If you unable to show the console, just click on that. What is that same exception? The adapter network could not establish the connection. It means your services, my services are not established. Let me check services first. Services in your system not required to facing this type of problem, but I don't know why my system is facing this type of problem. It's I think the window uninstalling kind of thing is on. I don't want to uninstall window and install again. So start the manually services and happily you will leave. Okay. Let's wait. Change the date. Today session 80. That's it. So I will just Such Oracle. Oracle plus O, just Oracle is not running. Na? Run, start the services. Okay. Only two services. If you are facing this type of problem in your database, network adapter could not establish the connection. Simple, your service is site. Maybe your service is stopped. Okay. May service is stopped. May your service is stopped. So try to run manually. Okay. Wait. It's running. It's running now. Let's try to this service is required to run. Okay. After that, I will launch. After that, I will launch. What is that? MySQL. Okay. Now it's good. SQL. It's not opening. What happened? Okay. I think it's happily on enough. It's taking to file. Like I think it's taking time. Okay, same error. So let me try this example. Okay. F11. But that now is listener. Okay. Okay. Refuse the connection. Na? Same error. So I want to run the again SQL plus until it's not running, your program will not run. Run the your SQL. This type of error you may be facing. Now, these three services you should start. First one is the ORCL, service ORCL, and second with the DB, 11G and DB, okay, TNS kind of thing. Okay, now my database is, I will show you. SQL plus, yeah, system with my username, system is passed. Okay, now it's connected. So now run this example. Control F11. Now your example is your output. Our program is run successfully. Then hit enter. If you want to add student plus one, simple. ID 105. Name like Rajesh. And address like Delhi. And fee like 5,000. 105 record inserted inside the database. If you want to show at the time we are facing one problem. What is the problem? If you want to execute another operation like second operation, you will execute, you can execute this program again. Okay. After that, after complete this example, I will tell you also these, you cannot start this program again. Just simple give a option. After that, this menu execute one more time. Hit enter again. Okay. At the time, if we want to execute this search statement, search module, so re-execute the program, control F11. Okay. Plus 2, enter ID number 105. Okay. Output is coming on. This is the total iteration. So now in this video, in this session, I will show you module 3. What is that module 3? We are, what is that? We use update the record. Okay. So Here, how to update? So new is simple. Press in 3, then come S out. Ask to the user. Ask to the user. What is that? Enter the ID. Enter student ID. Student ID. Then user enter the ID. Okay. You can store the ID inside that. Inside that, what is that? Int variable. Suppose SID 1. We use SID 1 if SID 2 used. SID 2 we already used. SID 3 equals to. Right now I'm preparing a separate variable. After completion of this example, I will remove all these things, all this hangama. Simple program I will show. Okay. Modification like. Okay. So sc dot next int. Next int. Read that. Read it that and execute the query. What is that query? Check. First of all, check. If you want to you want to update the record, it's your responsibility to check the data inside the table is existed or not. If data is existed, then you can update it. Now, if data not existed, what will you do? What will you do? Nothing. So check. Okay, checking purpose. Do what is that? Prepare one query. Prepare one query select query. We already prepare one select query. So prepare one query. Prepare one query. What is that? SQL string separate query. SQL 1. SQL 1 is already there. SQL 2 is already the 3. SQL 3. SQL 3 equals to what is that? Select star from student where SID equals to question mark. SID equals to question mark. Okay. So now the query is ready. Okay. I want to check now. So PST dot execute this query. Execute query method. There you can use the previous also, but right now I am just teaching a beginner. I am assuming you don't know anything. That's why I am teaching that much low level coding. Okay. This is not recommended way to code. After the completion of the code, I will show you what is the recommended way. I will remove all these things. Just declare as a global all these things. Okay. Execute query method. If there one method is there, what is that? Query method. Simple. Query method is there. This query method return type is result set. Result set RS. We have already declared RS, so RS1. Okay, na? So check while check. Okay. While use while loop while rs1 dot next method is there. You can read the data until not finishing. S out. Here you can also provide. I will provide the. Here is also not required, na? Not required. Just rs dot next. Next. After that, I will also use for loop. rs1 dot next. That's simple use. Next is the previous like forward direction. Student ID. I want to show student ID is what is that? Plus what is that ID is ID is rs1 dot get in index number is one. That's it. Then you will get the student ID. I don't want to modify the ID data. So ID data is simply not required to provide that. So student name, provide that name, provide that name, provide the name. The student name RS1, RS1, RS1 dot get a string, column number 2, and I want to provide the new data in here. Okay, here. So what we have to do? Plus, simple. Provide one plus and enter new name. Enter new name. New name of the student. Name. That's it. Plus, not required plus, just asking to the user. So I want to, we want to hold, the cursor. Okay. So here, what is that? S int, no, string name is which type? String. Yes, name. Yes, name. We asked already, we declared already one. S1 equals to sc dot next int. Next int. Okay. First data entered inside the first data, modified data inside the this variable. Okay. System dot out dot print print is the method. Student here, student student address. What is that? Student name, student, yeah, address. Student address, old address it will show. What is that? Old address is rs1 dot get string. Get string is the method. Passing back three. Here we pass what is that? N string, na? Not N string. Enter the new address. Enter new address. Enter new address. Okay. String new address hold the new SADDR1. Hold in new variable sc dot next. Sc dot next. Print method is there. Print pass student fee. Student fee. Fee. Student fee is how much? It will show rs1 dot get string. Now you are updating now. 4 index is 4. So simple plus student enter updated fee. Enter updated fee. Enter updated fee. That's it. Float. Use float f fee. Fee equals to sc dot next float. Next float is the match. Yes. Okay. Good. Now you ask to the user. Now here you prepare wait. Now here you can prepare one query for that string. Okay. What is that? String. We prepare the query string SQL 3. The 3 is already used. SQL 4. Okay. SQL 4 equals to update now. Update student set. Update student set yes name equals to question mark comma yes ADDR equals to question mark. This is the column question mark symbol, comma, yes, a, yes, fee, na? I think the fee column is still in that. Wait. It's no issue. Fee, provide the fee. Fee equals to cushion. Where, where, where SID equals to on the basis of SID cushion. Right. Good. All these things get good. So now execute the query. Execute the query. What is that? Con dot prepare statement. Pass that query SQL4 is that query. That's it. And this method is the return type. This method is the return type is what is that? PST equals to that. PST equals to con dot prepare statement. Now I want to set the data. PST dot set string. First I want a string. First we set the data string. What is the value? Index number 1. Name is name. Just name. Yes, name. Not effective. Oh, yes, name. SADDR, yes, name. That's it. S name 1. Inserted. PST dot set string. Set string. What is that? 2. PST dot set string. It will provide in. Number 2. Value is yes, ADDR. Now next PST dot set float. PST dot set float. This sequence is the matter. Which sequence you provide the query, same sequence you set the value. If you change the sequence, then you will get error. Now 3 and pass the yes fee. No? What is the variable? Fee. Now PST dot set int. Now you can pass the value. What is that? Fourth index. What is the SID 3, na? SID 3. I think. Yes. Now here, now you can execute the PST string. PST dot execute update, object method is there. Update method is return type is what is that? Int suppose I. So I want to check. I is already there, I think. So J, try J. If J not equals to 0, S out, update successfully, update successfully. Else, S out, updation failed. Now successfully, updates, updation. Now our third module is ready for the execution. Now I will explain one more time what I have written here. First, our responsibility to take the input from the user, which data you want to update. So now it's taking. So store inside some variable like SID 3. Then our responsibility is the programmer responsibility, user responsibility is finished. Now programmer responsibility is that checking the data, which data, those data is entered from the user, this data is available inside the database or not. For this purpose, I am preparing this query. Also, I will use in the if else. Okay, not required right now. Just simple example. That's why I'm not using if and else. Using if and else, like if data is existed, then execute this. If data not existed, then simple print data not there. Okay. After when I will modify this code, then I will show you. Okay. After this one module is rewinding. So now ask to the user. Suppose data is existed. Data come inside the result set. Now I want to read the data one by one from the result set. For that, next method is there. Okay. So now we read the data. This one is student ID is this one. Student ID is printed. Now one ID is there. Name is printed like that and enter the data. Same thing here. What I have written in the last session, same data will come. Na? First name, suppose M is there inside the Hyderabad and this is wrong kind of thing is there. I will show you. If you will be getting any error, let me know and remove this. Okay. Control F11. Only execute third module. Third. First, I want inserted one record now 105. 105. Okay, null pointer exception, null pointer exception. It means this data is getting null pointer exception. Why? First of all, let me check na data is there on it. Start from student 105 is there. Two data is there, so it's confusing na. So enter the 103 na. 103. Control of 11. 103. Oh, sorry. It was control F11. 3. 103. Null pointer exception 74. It means it's returning execute query method returning what is the null value. So that's why it's getting null pointer exception. Data is not there. Select. Oh, we are not setting now. Done the one mistake. What is that? We not set the data inside this query. What is that query? PST. Okay. So pst.set in parameter as one SID 3. Okay, okay, no issue. pst.set. Okay. Now is pst dot on dot prepare statement. Now all prepare statement. Pass that query SQL3. SQL, that's it. PST. That's it. Now it's now run. Let's know the fault. Add enter 103. Now again it's coming null pointer exception. To test statement is good, PST is good. Which line? Give the exception. 24. Na? PST dot set. PST dot set. What is that error? Best statement. First we prepare the statement, I think so. Okay. First we prepare the statement, then after that setting the data. Execute. Now run. Start. 103. Now detach from Kiran is there inside the student name. What is that Kiran? Enter new name like Nirmal. Nirmal. Delhi address. Delhi is that I want to update the address. What is that? Same address I want Delhi. Okay. What is that? What is that? What is that? Invalid column index. Okay. Invalid column index. So you print address in the 3. 1, 2, 3 is good. 1, 2, 3. After the 3. Why? Why? Set as name. SADDR. The column name is same. SADDR. Only student 3 is only 3. Oh, this column is different and our column is, I think, not different. Our table is different. What is that about table? Insert into std. Oh, our table name is study. Simple, simple, simple. That's so it's std. Not issue, just change it. Buddy. STD. STD. No, run one more. 3. 103. Okay. What is that? Execute. Select star from STD where SID. Okay, select star from where SID. Like good, everything is good, yeah. Hmm. To record from the where are we getting? Like 1 minute, 1 minute. When we will getting the error, it means to learning something, SQL exception. Some SQL exception, update. What is that? Update. Student std set s name, comma, SADDR, comma, fee. Fee is table name is good. Before that, he interacting with this table. I will provide the student name. That's right. It's, amazing, na? We don't know. We don't know where we work. Which table we are working with which table. I don't know. But we I want to work with this table, but internally work with this table. This is the happening, na? Not required. Okay. I want to work with this table. So this table is the SIDR fee is table. Okay. No issue. Enter the ID, interest name, it's good. Providing the SQL query, select start from student std where SID. That's it. Good, good. PST. Now prepare the statement for the passing that query SQL3. Pass that query and setting the data into the prepare statement. Okay. We prepared a statement as a null. Where is prepared? The locally, globally we declared. Is 3. Good. And PST dot execute query method is there. Execute query method is there. RS dot next. Is then again. Now copy this. fruits. Let's see the data model. Control F11, press again. That will try. Third, I want to, what is the record inside the database? 101. 101 is there. Okay, 101 is there. Kamal is there. I want to provide. Suppose Kamal Beamer. Beamer. Okay. Hyderabad, Delhi. Okay. Fee. Okay. 3,000. Now, record updated successfully, na? Record updated. Okay. And now, check it. Vimal, that's it. That's it. Your updated model is better. Now, observe this. Observe. Okay. Now, our third module is, fourth module is, I think, student B. This is the very simple module. Just ask to the user, enter ID, enter student ID, enter student ID. It's ask in same line. I want to ask from the user in same line. So int SID. Now, at this time, how much variable we declare at this time? Why? Because we are declaring local variable. That's why we declare a different variable. Three variable SID 3. Now we declare 4. 4. How much memory it's consuming? We can't imagine. Okay. SC dot next into the method. Just ask it. Now I want to prepare the query string. The string SQL equals to delete SQL delete is delete from, what is that? Delete from std where SID equals to cushion. This query is right or wrong? Anyone tell me? Delete from, I think so. Good, query is right. Now, prepare the statement. PST equals to con dot prepare statement. SQL, here we prepare one SQL 5, I think. No? 4 up to 4 is maintained, we maintain 4. SQL 5, we pass SQL 5. Now, set the ID value inside the prepare statement. PST dot set in 1, and that, what is that? Press ID 4. Now execute the query. Int I is used, k uses j. J use k is not used. So execute update method is there. Execute update method. Okay. If k not equals to 0, yes out, not deleted, not student, not deleted. Yeah, student record not deleted. Whatever message you want to write it. Else, yes out, what the student, oh, student deleted na here. If not equals to 0, it means something else. Student not deleted. Yes, student not deleted. No. Let's try. I want to perform 4. Enter 4. 1, not 1. Student deleted is my student deleted from this set. Student deleted or not. We completed 4 modules. We completed all 4 modules and last modules. Let's execute one more time. Okay. How to execute again? This is the question. So simple, nothing, do anything here. Just simple, do one thing. What is that? Declare as while, true, that's it. Up to that, up to that, up to that. Just close while. That's it. Now it's running again. I will show you. Let's see. Okay. Now I want to perform 1. Add student. I want to add 1, not 3. Name Komal. Komal. Address Delhi. Delhi. Fee 3,300. Again, it's asking now which operation you want to perform. Na? One record is inserted. I will show you. Inserted. Komal is inserted. You want to update. Now at that time I want to perform 2 operations. Search. What record I have Komal? 103. 103. 103. Just enter. The record is there. 103 Komal in Delhi. Okay. I want to perform 3. 3. Now 3. 3 you can do it. 3. 103. I want to perform 103. ID number is I don't want to change. I don't want to change 103. I want change only name. So provide the name Komal instead of Komal, like Kamal, Tyra, Tyra, Tyra. That's it. And address same Delhi. And instead of 200, 200. Then update record is updated. I want to show. You want to show now? Create 2 and 103. Tyra, Delhi, 2000. That's it. I want to delete of simple 4. 4, na? 4. Perform 103. You got deleted. You want to exit the program. Now it's not exiting. It's asking until you not press 5. Just press 5. Thank you for using ITSPR. The program execution is completed. Now, there is. Now our mini project is completed. Some modification are required. I will show you how much code is concise. All this point. May is that session is will long, but it's okay. Be patient, huh? In this session, we will learn more things. Okay. I think is adjusting. No? Okay, plus not required. Do one thing. Mm, no, just Control C, copy. And paste it. Yes, now it's good. Totally bold. I will compare both the example. Don't worry. Now, which thing is required, which thing is not required. Okay, I will show you how it is required. This is our total program. Set the one more time. This is the asking part. User. This is the switch. So okay, I want to separate this. So now, do the modification on the same example. I want to copy paste. Preparing one separate example for two mini project two. This project two with optimized code with the optimized code with optimized code. Okay. Now close this. Open this example. So first of all, we prepare all the query and the top of the example. Which query you want to execute? All the query. Like delete, update, insert. So now inside this, not required here, just here, declare all query. String. First query is what is that? What is that? Insert SQL. Insert SQL. That SQL. Insert SQL query is what is that? Insert SQL query. Inside that where we declared insert query in the insert module. Yes, this one. Copy this query. That's it. Control X, Control C. Just paste it. Paste it here. Remove this. Not required here. Oh, otherwise, name of both the name changing. Na? SQL. No. Good. No. Okay. Now insert query. So now you provide the query inside this. That's it. Okay. Now query, insert query is ready. Now second query is update. Second query search. String search SQL. Search SQL. What is the search query of the SQL? Let's search this query. Just copy and paste it here. Remove this. Where? One module is completed. Second module, yes, this one. Just remove here and here pass. What is that? Here pass search. Here pass one query, search query. That's it. Control F. Now next query is delete. String delete SQL. Pass that query. Delete. Before the delete, update na. Okay. Update query. Copy this query. Control C. String update SQL. That. So let's delete query. Copy the delete query here. There's a delete, yeah, delete here. Delete query, this one. Huh? Inside the delete, provide the delete query. Inside the delete module, provide the delete. What is the where is my delete module? Here, provide this. Remove this query, not required here. Just to save it. And update module here is not required. This also. Just where you provide, here is also this one is not required. This one is not required. Control G. I will show you. Where we provide, yes, in past, find out it. Yes. Provide the update query, update. Search it, update. That's it. It's good. Now here you pass what the select query, na simple pass select. Search, search SQL. That's it. Search SQL not required to do this much. Not required to do this much of it. Now our query part is ready. 4 query we are performing update and delete. Now, let's try this example running on both the queries. Yes. Proceed where we are getting error. Okay, okay, PST na. PST is capital. Control F11. I will remove variable also. Optimization is first prepare the example basic concept, then optimize the code. This is the developing the code. This is the way to develop a code. First, 106 name, suppose Tiwari, 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 address FUJ, FUJ, FUJ one place, 180 place. Uh, student fees like 500. And record is inserted. Record 106 is inserted. Let's check. Let's check. 106 Tiwari is inserted or no? Tiwari is inserted. You want to, again it's asking the same, asking to 106. Let's see. Tiwari, FUJ 500. Want to update, perform 3. 106. Tiwari, instead of Tiwari, Tiwari, like Rahul, KNJ, okay, and fee like 300 and it's updated. Record updated. Let's see, record updated or not. 506. Yes. Record is updated. Rahul KNJ in this. This is the place, huh? And perform 4 operation. Perform 4 operation. What is the 4 operation? Provide one beautiful thing. 106. Not six. Student deleted. Student deleted or not? See. We do all this hangama, but record is not there. Here, 5, press 5 and exit. Thank you for using. Then suppose you entered something. You entered wrong. You entered wrong answer. You entered here, it's like suppose asking 5. You are the user, you are the end user. You can enter like 5. Instead of 5, you entered like 7. Then it's give up one beautiful message. Enter, choose a correct value. Choose up to 1 to 5. Choose a correct value. That's it. Switch and case, give up one beautiful thing. What is that thing? Break. Break. What is the beautiful thing? Default. Use one thing, default. Default. That's it. Use one default case. Use one default case. And simple. Use one default case. Print one message. Enter Yeah, choose, correct. Choose, choose, choose one to 5 option only. Only like this message. Control F11, run this. This executing enter 5. With that method, choose only 1 to 5 option. Okay, choose again 6. And again it's message coming 1 to 5. Again choose 5, 8. Again choose 4. And 4 is coming. This is the beauty about that. So now second modification is what is that? We declare this variable as a global. Which variable we provide the locally? This one, SID. Simple. Declare one here. Int SID. Okay. Equals to what is that? Initialize or 0 other than. Okay. Int string. Yes name. That's it. And string. SADDR. SADDR. That's it. And float. Fee. That's it. These variable provide that. Okay. So now remove this SID, SName, SADR not required. Again, not required, not required. Remove it. Remove the float. Remove it. Here is int. One declare I variable is the globally. First, I will show you the variables. Okay. F declare the fee declare the fee. Yes, you declare here, but it's the fee. That's it. Fee modify here fee. Okay. Now remove here not required as one. This aside is sufficient. Okay. Pass here as ID. That's it. Here is also not required RS. So this one is not required. Save it. SID is insufficient. S3 is here is also not S3. Just use one globally variable. Remove. After that, I will remove RS also. Or all these things are good. No? Then again, defining the variable like that. So simple S name. Yes name. That's it. Remove this. Yes name. Remove it. Fee. Float is removed. That's it. Fee. Remove this. Remove this. S3. S3 also not required. S3 is. This one is not required. This one is good. They are also remove this. We remove all these variables. We at least using 5 into 4. 5 to 4 variable into 3 times. It 12 variable we are using before that this declaration. Now, like as we run this application, we are facing a problem. One, I want to one. Pass the value 1 not 1, 100, 1000. Student name, suppose Guru. Address Kemuki. Okay, fee like 500. Record is inserted or not? Let me check. Record is there. Good. What is that? 100,000 in the number. Yeah. Record is there. So now I want to update the record. Perform three operation. Three. Okay. Perform 1,000. 1,000 Guri into the Guri. The Guri. Yeah. Keonji instead of Keonji. Provide Delhi. And 500 instead of 500 pass the 3,300. That's it. Because it is updated. If you want to show, you can see Guri, Delhi, 300. That's it. Now I want to delete the record. I want to delete the record. So perform three. Perform three. But the three. 1000. Record deleted. Record deleted. Now five. Exit. We do one not hangama. No? But in the database it's not there. Why? Because we deleted the previous. Deleted last record. We deleted this one. That's why we do the modification. We prepare the string query globally and string query globally and variable also globally. Globally. Then the next thing is we do one more thing. What is that? We prepare, I think so. We're preparing one more common thing, int, like PST kind of thing. Variable, one more variable like I. We will prepare one int I, comma I. I, yes, I is I. That. We use I anywhere where you want to check, to I. Yeah, instead of K, I. That's it. K not I. If you getting this type of thing, then simple press insert inside the keyword. By mistake, you hit the insert button. That's why it's come. Okay. But again, press insert button, then it will go. And I not equals to not. That's it. Anywhere you use any other thing? No. Just remove it. Now I want to declare results at other globally. Results at RS1 and kind of thing you can remove it. RS, just remove this one, not required. RS1, just remove it, remove this one, remove this one, remove, remove, remove. Here I'm speaking. Now RS1 anywhere, anywhere, RS. Now, this is our modified tool. This is our modified. Okay. Ping as a DDR. While loop, this one is query statement. Try to run. The code is running on. Right. Control F11. Yes. Perform one. Enter student ID. Suppose I want to insert 1000 student. Yuvraj. How did I do that? Just write Aman. Aman. And address like UP. And fee like 3000. Record is inserted. Let's check. Record is inserted on one, not one. Yes, record is inserted. Aman is there, no? Yeah. Perform three. Update operation. Perform three. Update operation. Enter the ID. One, not one. Okay. Aman is there. Old name is Aman. I want to prepare the new name. Dev. Instead of Dev is from Delhi. And its fees is in his fees is 6,000, then updated successfully. And again it will ask if we press 5, 6, choose 1 to 5 only. So press 5 to means exit. Thank you for using. If you want to delete, then run one more time. If you press 5, then execution your will. Execution is stop. Again, run F11. Let's see, data is inserted or not. Yeah, Dev is there. Oh, so now check. I want to delete. Simple hit. What is that? 4. 1, not 1. Student deleted. Student deleted. Now I want to delete 4. Perform 4 like 2000. What is that error? Student not deleted. Student instead of this, you can print like student not existed. Okay. If you update 3, if you perform update 3, press some randomly, then it will get execute na exception. I will solve this type of problem tomorrow and in this next session. Thank you. Thank you for watching. You can watch the video and from my YouTube channel, I Trick Study Park. Go and join. Okay, wait. I will show you. Okay. Now this Chrome is taking too much memory. Yeah, I don't know why. And tomorrow, if you want to prepare this application as a layered application also, like DO part is different and service part is different, all these things. Same example I will use the GUI part. After the preparing date and a callable statement, some I will show you some procedure kind of thing. After that, I will use. Okay. Okay. Now I think it's opening or not. Mm, yes. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. I want to paste not right. Paste the code. One to write modified code. Modified code. That's it. The codes are there. No? This is the without modification. This is the with modification. I will share this document on my Telegram channel. Okay. So join. So search on YouTube. Search YouTube. I Trick Study Work. ITRIK. This is the channel name. I Trick Study. STUDY Park. Study Park. Search it. and you will get this channel like and such. This is the last part one example in this. Okay, go and watch, go and search. So please do like and subscribe. Please, if you like the videos, please like it. If you don't like it, just like and comment whatever you want. You can comment it there. If you like, if you have any query, just use my mail javasbk@gmail.com. After that, I will conducting one or two session using uh, what to Git. After that, I will using Git for preparing big example. Then I will post on the Git URL. Not post in the paintbrush. Why? Because this paintbrush pasting is like too horrible kind of thing. Like it's taking too much page size, and this is for the taking a note purpose. That's it. Okay. Thank you for joining me, guys. Thank you. We will meet next session.